Good morning, students. Yes, students, tell your friends to join quickly now so that we can start revision. Yes, students, how many of you started executing Part B programs? Any errors? Anything want to discuss? Yes, students, anything you want me to discuss about Part B program? If not, then I'll start revision of first module. So in the last class, we have discussed we did revision for first module, where we have learned the basics of, the .NET Framework architecture of .NET Framework 4.0 and the components of .NET Framework 4.0. And now we'll discuss module 2. Yes, students, in module 2, mainly we are going to learn the classes, objects, and object-oriented programming. Can anybody tell me what is the definition of class? Define class. Preeti? Preeti, define class. Define class. Students, please respond no. You know the answer or you don't know? Yes, students, in second module, uh, we have seen the classes, objects, and how to create an object. Everything in C hash is associated with classes, and objects, along with its attributes and methods. For example, in a real life, a car is an object. Correct? No, a car is a object, and the attributes of a car is weight of the car, door color of the car, and number of doors of the car. And these are all the attributes of a car and the method of a car, such as drive, brake, clutch. These are all the method of a class. So in similarly in C hash, everything is associated with class and object and attributes and methods. Yes, students, without attribute and methods, can we execute any program? No, we cannot execute a program without attributes and methods. If you want to display something, then using a method we display, and if you want to store some variable, then we use a attribute. Similarly, when you compare that class and object with our daily life, here the car is an object. Car is an object. So the car has attributes. Which are the attributes? Weight of the car, color of the car, number of seats, number of wheels. Those are all the attributes of a car. And the methods: drive, clutch, brake. So these are all the methods of a class. And classes, it allows you to control all the functions that can be applied to a given set of data, as well as how to access the data. So class allow us to control overall the functionality, and it allows us to access the data as well. And the syntax of class is a keyword. Class name, the class name, for class name, the rules are whatever the rules we are using for the variables, the same rules are applied for the class name. The syntax is access modifier, static, return, method name, and the signature. Yes, students, again I'm repeating, in the syntax, whatever the entries are there in the square bracket, those entries are optional. So here the static I have written in square bracket, means static is optional. You can either write static or you can omit in the program. So this is the syntax, and the small example for the class is the class name is box, and public double length, double breadth, and double height. And creating an object. Yes, students, when we create an object, we have a syntax. According to the syntax, we need to create an object. And to access the object, we need a dot operator. Here we'll see the syntax of a class. That is, class name object name is equal to new. This is the syntax of a class. And here a simple program here we are creating a array. Here the size of a array is 6, and here we have a nested classes, partial class, partial method. The partial class will have a partial keyword. And this is the method as a class member. Yes, students, do you have any doubt here how to passing an object as a arguments in the method? With a program example, I explained all this in my regular class. Returning a value from method and the access modifier. Yes, students, any doubt? Any doubt in access modifier? How to use class? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Chetana, Preeti. Yes, students, if you don't have any doubt, then you can see the chat window. I have given you a small assignment. Write a program to demonstrate encapsulation. Write any program to demonstrate encapsulation. In the GCR, I'll create an assignment. So to that GCR, you write in a paper. You can take a photo and convert that to a PDF, and you post. Do it fast, students. So 2 programs I am giving, because you don't have any doubts also. So one more is write a program to find roots of quadratic equation. So these 2 programs you need to write, students, using these 2 you have to write using C hash. These 2 programs you have to write. Just students, I'll give you 15 minutes time. In 15 minutes you have to write and upload to the GCR. Yes, all of you received the invitation from? Oh no, wait, still I have not created. Assignment. encapsulation program, and quadratic equation program. These two programs. Yes, students, 15 minutes time I'll give. I think all of you received the invitation for the GCR from the GCR. So quickly you start, students, start writing, students. Yes, students. Start. Write the write both the programs and share in the GCR. Pratibha started writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Tanuj.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Complete fast, all of you. I'll give you 15 minutes time. Yes, students. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Quickly you submit, and after that I'll take one question paper, previous year question paper, and we can do revision. We can solve the question paper. Yes, students, I have given enough time. Only few students have submitted. So we'll discuss the question paper. So this is the previous year question paper. Uh, explain the benefits of. So this is the previous year question paper. Explain the benefits and architecture of .NET framework. This is 2017, 16, 17 syllabus question paper. Yes, students, am I audible? ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Okay. So this is the first question is explain the benefits and architecture of .NET framework. Yes, what are the benefits? What are the benefits? What are the benefits of our .NET framework? Yes, I'll give you 2 minutes. So in 2 minutes, you find out the answer for 1A and 1B questions. So answer your attendance, students. Aditya, Ajay, Amit, Antima,
Present, ma'am.
Apurva,
Present, ma'am.
Ashwini, Bindu,
Yes, ma'am.
Divyesh, Gaurish,
Yes, ma'am.
Gautami, Gunashekar.
Present, ma'am.
Why yesterday absent Gunashekar? Harini,
Present, ma'am.
Surya, Nayana,
Present, ma'am.
yesterday absent. Nazma,
Present, ma'am.
Nidhi.
Present, ma'am.
Why Nidhi? One day you are coming and next 2 days you are not coming. You have attendance shortage. Why? What happened? Day before, previous last class you were there. Last class you are not there, and today you are attending, and again tomorrow you will not attend. What is this? Pradeep. Pradeep. Preeti.
Present, ma'am.
Rajesh.
Present, ma'am.
Sahadev. Sahadev. Saket.
Present, ma'am.
Santosh. Santosh. Seema.
Yes, ma'am.
Sinchana.
Present, ma'am.
Spurti.
Present, ma'am.
ಪೂರ್ತಿ ನಿಂದು ಹಂಗೆ ಒಂದಿನ ಬರ್ತೀಯಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂಗೆ ನೋಡು 24th ನವೆಂಬರ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ 25th ಇಲ್ಲ 26th ಇಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ಯಾ 14th ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ 15th ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೆನ್ನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಶಶಾಂಕ್ ವರ್ಷ ಯಶಸ್ವಿನಿ
Present, ma'am.
ಅಮೃತ ಅಮೃತ ಅನುಷಾ
Present, ma'am.
ಅಪೂರ್ವ
Present, ma'am.
ಸಾಯಿ ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥ್ ಚೇತನಾ
Present, ma'am.
ಚೇತನಾ ನೆನ್ನೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಕಾವ್ಯ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ ವೈ ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಟೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಧು
Present, ma'am.
ಮನೀಶ್
Present, ma'am.
Sarfaraz. Sarfaraz. Murgesh.
Present, ma'am.
Mani. Paresh.
Present, ma'am.
Pooja.
Present, ma'am.
Prashant.
Present, ma'am.
Pratibha.
Present, ma'am.
Pratik. Sadhana. Sadhana. What happened to this girl? Why she is not coming for mobile application class? She was there, no? Shashank.
Present, ma'am.
Definitely she'll detain Sadhana. Shraddha. Shraddha. Sridhar.
Present, ma'am.
Tanuj.
Present, ma'am.
Tejaswini.
Present, ma'am.
Ummehani. Ummehani. Ashish. Vidya.
Present, ma'am.
ವಿದ್ಯಾ ನೆನ್ನೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ನೀನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಒಂದಿನ ಬರ್ತೀಯಾ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಬರಲ್ಲ ವಿಶಾಲ್
Present, ma'am.
Vishal, you also are very irregular to the classes. Okay, students, I'll stop here. And after this class, you have a session. You have that technical talk. Uh, so all of you should attend that technical talk, students. Okay, students, I'll stop here. And this question paper, this question paper we'll discuss in the next class. And activity assignment only 25 students have submitted. Remaining students have not submitted. Those who have not submitted, I'll give you another 2 minutes time. In 2 minutes, quickly you submit the assignment. See, you can only see the count how many students have turned in. Turned in means those who have submitted only 25. 29 are Divyesh, Siddharth, Aditya, Amit, Amrita, Apurva. Why Apurva? Regular student Apurva. Lateral entry Apurva she has submitted. Ashwini.
Writing.
Write it fast. No, I have given more than half an hour time. I told only 15 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ashwini, Gaurish, Gautami, Kavya, Manish, Yakappa, Sarfaraz, Mani, Pratik, Sadhana. See, so many students, 29 students have to submit. Submit fast, submit quickly. And after this class, you attend the talk, students. Students, I'll stop here.